Well, I went out, got gassed up. With these mowers, you can tell which ones I went out with. The ones that's wet. These aren't. This one's wet. But anyways, I got gas. It come a downpour. It's supposed to dry up in a few hours. And I probably could get a few jobs done after it dries up. But we're going to do something a little bit different today. That's where we're going.
Let's go, sir.
All right. I think that'd be the scary part, is just
Wait until you go down.
just to the hesitation of just waiting. I don't think I want to ride a ride that's got a net underneath it. How about you? My 14-year-old daughter is heading to ride this ride. She's braver than I am. Was it fun? Why are you hiding your face?
Was it fun? Yeah.
I was waving to you guys.
Oh, were you waving? Yeah.
They're gonna think you was scared. Was it scary?
No.
I was smiling. You can look at my picture.
I-
See a picture.
We had fun at Kings Island. Thanks for watching.